If you want to search X, formerly Twitter, by date, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. This is super helpful if you're trying to find an old post, track a specific event, research a topic, or narrow down results to a certain time period instead of scrolling endlessly. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open x.com or Twitter and go to the Explore section. On the search bar, type the word or phrase you want to search for, then press enter. This will bring up all the posts related to that keyword. Now, look at the top right corner of the search results page and click the three dots. This opens up more search options. From the menu, click Advanced Search. This is the feature that lets you narrow down your search by dates, words, accounts, and more. Once the advanced search page opens, you'll see fields where you can filter your results. For searching by date, focus on the from and to date boxes. Enter the start date in the from field, then enter the end date in the to field. This tells X exactly which time range you want to search within. After the dates are filled in, click search. X will now show only the posts that match your keyword and fall within the date range you selected. This makes it much easier to find the exact tweet or conversation you're looking for. If you want even better results, try using a very specific keyword, account name, or phrase along with your date range. That can help you isolate the exact content you need much faster. And that's it. You've now learned how to search X or Twitter by date using advanced search. If this tutorial saved you some time, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.